Do you know the benefits of aloe vera? I'm gonna give you some. Gastritis, H. pylori, acid reflux, heartburn, indigestion, stomach aches, constipation, heartburn. Aloe vera, do not play with it. Don't joke with it. Most of the issues, ulcer, stomach ulcer, aloe vera. Stomach problems, trust me, try aloe vera. No, I have stomach pains after periods, try aloe vera. Constipation, irritable bowels, try aloe vera. And then start drinking 2-3 times a day. It will help you. Share this video so that other people can see it too. Thank you, guys.